How to save pictures from text messages on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the chat or the profile that you'd want to save the pictures from. So I'm going to select on this picture or this profile, and here you can see different pictures over here. Now if I want to save the picture, this one, then all I have to do is just tap on the picture and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, and here you'll be able to see the option of save to gallery. So tap on save to gallery and here the photo has been saved to the gallery. Now if you want to share it in your Gmail or any other option, then you can just tap on share and you'll be given different other options over here as well. So you can select the correct medium for you, like Messenger, Drive, Instagram chats, or WhatsApp, X Twitter, and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.